I am Masira Khan. I am English language and English literature teacher. I will teach in class 1. For the sake of learning, we should have to adopt some good habits. So first of all, you have to listen to me, because listening is a first step to move forward towards learning. If you are a good listener, you will be a good speaker. And if you are a good speaker, you can read the text very well. And after that, you will be able to write things effectively. So be a good listener so that you will be a good learner. So listen to my lesson carefully so that you will be able to follow the directions and accept the challenges from my side. This is the title of our English learners book. We will read Cambridge Global English Learners Book for Class 1. This is the title of the English Learners Activity Book. We will practice the activities that we have learned from the Learners Book. So you must have Global English Activity Book for Class 1. Come to the content page. As you can see, there are 9 units. And each unit is divided into subunits like words and expression, use of English, reading and writing, listening and speaking, school subjects, phonics, word study, critical thinking, values. So this book will improve our listening, speaking, reading and writing skills, as well as it will improve our critical thinking and moral values. The subject English language, our book is divided into 2 halves. In the first term syllabus, we will do unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3 and 4. All the work will be done in learner's book, activity book, worksheet pad and notebooks. We are going to start our lesson number 6. We will solve the exercises at the page number 12 and 13 of activity book. By the end of the lesson, students, you will be able to listen and follow directions. Talk about the story. Talk about what you can see around. Read along as you listen to the story. Recognize the sight word I, learn about action words, differentiate between different types of movement. Write words in bubble speech to complete the sentences. Today we are going to start our lesson number 4. Learner's book, page number 16 and activity book, page number 10. By the end of the lesson, students, you will be able to listen and follow directions, listen for specific information, interview a friend, read and write about color's name, ask a question, and respond to an informational questions. Open the activity book, page number 12 and 13. The topic is read and respond. You have to read the instructions and follow it and respond according to that. Do mention day and date. About nouns, the things inside our classroom and outside our classroom. I can say the names of things in my classroom. Can you name the things in your classroom? What are these? Okay, can you see it in the classroom or outside? There are the things that you can see in the classroom and some are outside the classroom. Look at this. A clock, a table, duck, rabbit and squirrel. You have to look at the picture carefully. This is the picture of classroom. What is there in the classroom? A clock, two chairs and a table are in the classroom. So you have to match this table with this table and the clock with the clock in the box. Now what can you see outside the picture? Outside the classroom? A rabbit and a duck and a squirrel. So these 3 things are outside the classroom. Find these words in the word snake. Do you know what is a snake? Yes, snake is a dangerous animal. Now this snake has eaten up so many letters, and some letters are having words in it. So the snake are having some letters and words inside it. Can you find these words? Okay, first of all, look at the snake. It has G-I-R-L, girl. So it has eaten up the word girl. Then come next, it has eaten up the word pen. Now, look forward and find out these words like pen, these words. Pen, girl, boy, friends and books. These two snakes had eaten up these 5 words. So find out these words in these 2 snakes. I hope you can find that and circle that words inside the snakes. Now come to the page number 13. Do mention day and date. I hope you are all able to introduce yourself and answer the question. Can you tell what the students are saying? You can guess the idea by listening to their questions. So listen to me carefully and look at the picture. Look at the pictures, choose the correct sentences from the word box, write it in the speech bubble. So this is the word box where we have find I'm 6, thank you, my name is Paco. We find out 3 sentences over here. Now, hey, I'm Alfredo, what's your name? So here find out the sentence having a name. Yes, my name is Paco. Come forward towards second boy. Second question of the boy. How old are you? Now he is asking about his age. So to tell our age we use a number. So find out the number in these 3 sentences. Yes, in the first sentence we find out the number. I am 6. Now Alfredo asked the third question. I like your car. Not a question, he is giving a statement. I like your car, as he likes his car that is very beautiful. Now what he will do, how he will greet, what words he will use, what word will Paco use in reply? Yes, he will say, thank you. I hope you all can do this. Complete your task and submit it to me. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to me. Allah Hafiz.